So we got a water ban, hose ban. We get 3-4 weeks of hot weather and we get a water ban. In 9 months of the year we get rain, floods, people's houses getting flooded, river banks bursting their banks, all that rain, and then 3-4 weeks of sunshine, we get a water ban. This is what happens when you privatize the companies. All they're interested is in their profits. They're making £2 billion a year profit. They're not considering building new reservoirs. They're dumping the sewage into the sea or to the rivers. And 2-3 weeks of sunshine and we get a water ban. But here is how to water your plants. On that size packet I put sulfate potash. It's good for the tomatoes. I'm growing some tomatoes, flowers and fruit. I'm growing some fruit as well, like melons, apricots, peaches. So I'll put a handful of sulfate potash in there. For leaves, magnesium fused yellow leaves, Epsom salt. I need some of that for my citrus fruits, or all the other plants as well. Handful of that. Pitch, blood and bone, wheat, trace elements for stronger plants. Beautiful flowers, fruit trees, shrubs, and vegetables. Handful of that. Bone meal, calcium. Liquid seed weed. It's about 1 cup for a gallon, so I reckon about 10 gallons in there. But because we got all the other nutrition in there, to be honest, you don't need any other of these ingredients that I put in there. All you need is that tomato feed. That's all you need. You don't need Epsom salt or anything like that. Tomato feed will do it. Let's put the hose away. Get what we can. What I usually do is leave all that mixture in there overnight, 24 hours, for it to dissolve. But I just done a quick video to show you that from what I did and the amount of water that's in there, you can water all these plants. The melons are getting nice. All these plants was water what was in that bucket there. So if you get a hose pipe pan, just do what I did. Put a bit of feed in it, water your plants. Now some plants, they don't need watering every day. Some do, like tomatoes or begonias. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you next time. Oh, look at that bumblebee. He's having a real good time with the artichoke flowers. Right, see you next time, folks.